So here we are. We've got a lot more room this time. This is all just like kind of filled in loosely now. So here we are. So what has changed since the last outing? We got a different trailer, and this time it's TD Motorsports Transport trailer. So we got her all loaded up, got everything on, got straps. It was quite a scramble yesterday, to be honest. Got it onto the trailer in about 5 minutes, if that. Beauty of a normal trailer. So the difference, and as to what has changed, basically a lot of money has been spent since the last event. It is October 26th right now. We're standing here with the car loaded, waiting on Patrick just to close up shop. We're all here. We just need to grab the helmets and we hit the road. We got new coils. I got an upper strut mount bar put in. Played with the suspension a little bit. We did a different alignment setup. We got proper tires now. Well, I mean, we got the bolts for them so we can use them. And that's it. We got our own trailer this time, so this is ours now. The Willwood Hydro brake kit is in. I just haven't installed it because I didn't want to do a last minute rush, and the angle kit, the KFD Pro angle kit is coming November 2nd. So this car is going to undergo a whole transformation and have new fenders coming and a whole bunch of stuff. So here we are, we're all loaded up. The team principal has arrived and that's it. We're off. Sun's coming up and we're about to hit road. Grand Bend, Top Drift, here we come. We have arrived. Just take a look at this disaster. By the looks of it, this event has zero organization. We were lucky in a spot. Thank you to this guy, Trackworks. He literally gave us the spot, which is awesome, in between two people's tents. This place is crazy. Oh, what's going on? Oh, that's the guy from last event. But yeah, here we are, and this is not even the beginning of it. Over there is a drag racing event. Skid pads on that side. Here's main track. And here we are. We have arrived. Now let's see what we can make of this. We're currently lined up here for the skid pad. You can see we got an IS here. We got a whole bunch. It's a big kabuckle. There's a GS Aristo swap. There's a it left. There's an IS somewhere too. A lot of female drivers, which is cool to see. And yeah, this is how far of a line we have to get to the tent. Is not too far. I forgot to do a video of it, so we will see. You'll see our little setup, but today is gonna be pretty chill. Big open skid pad. We got a lot of time to go. Basically no well, it's like 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes, depending how you're doing. And yeah, we're gonna do a shakedown. We have the old Lexus, the windows on there. We're gonna kill those off and go from there. See how this day goes. You can see it's wet, skid pad's wet, so we'll see how it goes. We're a little lower on pressure, 35 all around. We'll see how it goes. Last run of the day here, short little clip. Went out, literally it was maybe 30 seconds to 45 seconds on the skid pad here. You can see the throttle control, the car is much better, suspension is acting as we would hope. Everything's nice and steady once we found that sweet spot, and she just holds the angle. Angle kick coming soon. It is, car's intact, runs perfectly fine. They have a whole bunch of tires. We literally used one set of tires today because of the organization. Here it was a drag day as well, and the drag event and the drift don't mix. Draggers don't like drifters at all, so we learned that today. Car handled wonderfully. The suspension upgrades are literally what was missing. The suspension is exactly what we need. That we just draw on wet. Terrible suspension. I have to soften it and drop the pressures. Today was wonderful. Dry setup with the 18K in the rear. Spring rate was perfect, literally. Perfect dry setup. Everything worked well. There was a lot of waiting. Terrible organization for drifters. Like I said, everyone cared about drag. No one cares about drifters. Drifters basically make your own rules. So the plan is we're loading up. It's 5 o'clock. This event closes at 5, so we're gonna load everything up and then our chill session begins. So we're going to make a barbecue over there. We're gonna pack everything because last time we made a barbecue and then we decided to pack and we moved like 2 times the speed. So slower, 2 times slower. And we're gonna load everything up, have it ready, get the barbecue away, toss it away, let it cool off, and we're off. So this is a little view. Got Altezza 2J turboed, NAT turbo. Where is there another one? There's a whole bunch of ISs today, but here we are. Those guys are struggling, so that might be us soon because we have to change the wheels, put them on 18s, and hopefully we don't slip off the hoist like yeah. So we'll see. Successful day. It is 5:56 and we are loaded. Literally took us 2 minutes. We moved locations to pavement where it's dry and literally just right up the trailer. Completely different. So everything worked out great. Cars on the trailer. We're going to just make a barbecue now, eat, and head out. And no stops, straight shot to the shop. I think South Point or Top Drift, whatever it was, either or. Fun day, not enough drifting though. The car is loaded, all strapped in. Tools are basically away, and the favorite part. Gorgeous. Making some keg burgers. We got sausages, we got the keg seasoning. Everything's already pre-cut and made and bagged. I was smart this time. I didn't want to bring a whole bunch of stuff. So overall, a very great day. Shook down the car. The car performed, I guess, better than I even expected, so that was a good bonus. Track ends at 5. It's like almost 6 now. It's probably 6, and it's a great day. A poop ton of waiting because there was no organization, as I said previously, for drifters. It's free for all, and everything worked out well. It was a great day, great time. Met a lot of people, saw a lot of cool things, and got a lot of cool footage, and one heck of a smoke show. So roasting the tires from the last event. So, and then when you guys see this car again, probably on a track, will be completely different car, like completely. I'm just staring at the car, just looking at it, imagining everything. But great day. Straps, trailer, everything worked out great. So far so good. Peace.